Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 30-minute challenge for the first time on YouTube. I mostly do this on my TikToks and my Instagram videos, but today I wanted to do it on YouTube because of special requests from you guys, and I want to show you how my process goes. A lot of the panic does happen in probably the first 15 minutes because after the first 15 minutes goes on, I just kind of get into the groove. So I'm going to be timing myself with my online stopwatch, and this is going to be kind of complicated because I'm going to be filming a little bit behind the scenes. I'm also be filming my TikTok right here, so I got 3 cameras going on right now. It's a bit overwhelming. I have an idea and I did start with a sketch. I will be turning myself into a orchid flower, which is one of my favorite flowers. I have my product laid out in front of me, which is what I usually do. I have some extra options just in case I need to grab anything. Because it's a 30-minute challenge, I probably will not have that much time to talk to you guys, so please just enjoy this frantic 30-minute challenge of me turning myself into an orchid before your eyes. 3, 2, 1. I always start off strong when it comes to these things being really fast, but then I get kind of fatigued and I lose track of time often. So we'll try not to do that this time. My mess usually becomes like a total epic mess after this. I would walk you guys through what I'm doing, but honestly, I don't have the mental capacity to do everything at once, so you can just watch me suffer. Normally a look like this probably would take me 3 to 4 hours, so doing it in half an hour is just a little bit insane. A lot insane actually. So please smash that like button and leave a comment below for more makeup challenges. Gotta blend it out. I'm gonna do a very translucent layer for the first one. Wow, I'm doing a good job talking through this until I start panicking, and then I'm not gonna talk about it anymore. Meanwhile, I also have to remember to start and stop my video for TikToks because I actually film in parts. I don't film everything at once, or else that would be a massive file. So I actually started off with a design that wasn't intense or anything, and then I showed it to James, my husband, and he was like, babe, this doesn't really look like you. You need to go back to your roots of like really maximalist design for you to be truly proud and happy of all of your looks. And I'm like, dang, I really don't like it when you're right. For this one, I'm gonna do kind of like flowery petals. It'll make sense after a while. I don't know if this is going to turn out looking good because my sketch did not include this, but we're gonna work with it. I want to build on layers. A lot of the layering that came from my graphic design background. In graphic design, we are taught about how to use layers, and that's really important to create dimension in your artwork. Same applies to your makeup. You want to create layers, you start off with the base, do some designs here and there. There's a little brush strand, hair of the brush strand stuck. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I don't really know how to draw orchids. I have pictures on my phone that I might refer to, but we'll see how that goes. It's kind of like my last step, so the base is really important. I'm just gonna make this kind of look like petals, so as you can see. Also, struggles with being a content creator, filming yourself and doing everything is the fact that at any point my camera is going to stop recording, and if that happens, it will not let me know. That's awesome because you guys might not get to see the final result or the rest of the result. I'll do my best. Okay, how's this looking? This looks pretty good, right? Cool, 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 cool. All right. Okay. Awesome. My hair looks weird. I'll do my hair at the very end. Okay, right now we got 25 minutes already, and I'm not gonna blend this out too much, just the edges. And then what I'm gonna do is powder this, and then I'm gonna go in with another layer. So I'm like throwing powder on this. I just need a light layer of powder to set the cream so I can go in with another layer on top of it. The good thing about these powders is that as soon as I put it on there, on my face I mean, as soon as I put it on my face, it dries the makeup, sets it really fast, so I do not have to wait at all in order to put my second layer on. What I do need though is to actually take a big brush, and I'll do that in a second, and just brush it off. So just take big fluffy brush, brush the excess powder off, so that doesn't mix with the new layer of paint right under it or on top of it. Now we're at 23 minutes. I think at this point I'm gonna do that second layer like I talked about I usually adjust my process depending on how long I have left. Oh dear, I think I got silver dipped in there. Hopefully it doesn't come off. This kind of looks like almost like recycled paper. Well, so much for flowers. We're doing recycled paper. Second round of powdering. Oh dear, 20 minutes. Time goes by really, really fast when you're doing a challenge. You know, I've never done like a 30-minute challenge or anything on live, but I definitely should, even though that would just like scare the crap out of me. And I need utmost concentration. So even filming a YouTube video right now is totally distracting me because I feel like I need to talk, even though during a 30-minute challenge, I don't talk unless I take tiny little pause breaks to tell people on my TikTok video, which I usually film with my phone in front of me, about my progress. So I remember also how much time, like what the timestamp is as I go on. Okay, I look absolutely insane right now. Ooh, itchy, itchy, very itchy. Ooh, powder, itchy. Ah! Where is the dang drawing? I don't have time for this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, where is the drawing? Okay, it's right. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I need my reference drawing. I didn't even think about it because I had it in my head. Oh, did I not even put it on here? Jeez, what am I doing? Jeez Louise, 20 minutes and I don't even have my reference drawing. Things are going wrong. What the heck? Whatever, whatever. We're just gonna keep it on my phone. Okay, this looked prettier in my head. This is turning out more teal than I thought. I will say sometimes I do 30-minute challenges with absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Maybe like an idea in my mind, but most of the time it's completely improvised. And those are even harder because if I really, really don't have an idea, I'm really going in blind. Like truly, truly very, very difficult to do everything at once. Then on top of that, if you don't have anything planned in your head, not even like a thought of like what potentially it's supposed to look like, that's even worse because you have to spend mental energy not on just applying like the application of makeup, but you also have to figure out what you're doing along the way. And those decisions will cost you time because you have to think. I might need to just go in with this brush. Oh, much better. Okay, just use the big brush. I don't know why I'm giving myself so much trouble with like this tiny little brush. This is so hard because I was using my phone to film my TikToks, but now I have to go back and forth between that and my photo album in order to see the actual reference photo. It's starting to slow down, which is not good. I need to stay upbeat and fast. 16 minutes left. Your girl is freaking out. This time is going so fast. This is not the color that I envisioned for the eye area. Not very orchid-like in my opinion. Is this supposed to be the pollen? I don't remember. This is gonna turn out a little bit weirder than I thought. You know what I mean? You don't know what I mean. I have a hard time like matching my eyeshadow to my lips sometimes, so I just use eyeshadow on my lips. $10 minutes. Okay, I can go into my detail and then also my eyelashes. This was originally like how much I was going to do, but I think it did turn out a bit more plain than I thought. I'm like looking at a drawing right now and just drawing the way that it looks on here. Once I can get kind of the general gist of how to draw an orchid, I just stop looking at the drawing. That's kind of how I learn. I just look at a drawing, figure out what it looks like, and then keep going in my own style. Oh my gosh, I have 2 minutes. Oh, well, technically 3 minutes. It honestly does not look as good as I want it to. So, oh man, I gotta put on my eyelashes too. Okay, I actually have 2 minutes left. Let me do my eyelashes first. Not the right brush, doesn't matter. course, those eyelashes. I hate this part, I hate this part, I hate this part, I hate this part. Did I mention I hate this part? Okay, well, I did actually manage to get everything done. This is how it looks like in 30 minutes. I'm just gonna clean up the green. My eyelashes are going crazy. I don't even think I glued it on properly. Yeah, it's a bit wonky, but you know, I got it on. That's the most important thing. This is 30 minutes. I'm going to fix and add more details around this because I do want it to be a successful look. Let's go in and just get through the detailing. Stick around to fast forward through this process. And if you're still here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. And this is the final look. I definitely gave myself, I think, an extra 20 minutes to do everything, including my hair, but I think it looks good, and it looks a lot more complex and more me than my original drawing. If you like this makeup challenge, let me know in the comments if you want to see more. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you're new, plus the notification bell so you know exactly when my next video is coming out. Next week, twice a week. As usual, stay creative, and I will see you in the next one. I'm a pretty orchid. Boop, boop.